All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Court. So, guys, look at this hair. I've posted this hair before. You guys saw it, right? I normally give him what? We call it Obama. We call it Big Pong. We call it round cut. That is what I normally give him before. But now I want to change the haircut too. I want to build a full afro for him, which is going to be low cut afro. So today I want to show you how to do it. Do you understand? I want to show you how to do it. But the only thing I need you to do for me now is to share this video. Let other people to benefit from it. Now, the first guideline, you still follow the process that I normally follow. Do you understand? I've created the first guideline already before I remembered to make this tutorial. So after you have created the first guideline, which you join the blade together for beginners. If you know everything, please, once you see my video, just pass by. Do you get? So after you have created the first guideline, remember, this is where the round cut normally stop. You know, it's very, very high. So I want to make this hair now to be uniform. I want everything to be this level before I create a full normal afro. I want to start building the hair back. Do you understand? Now, the next thing you need to do now, look at it. I've told you when to use step 1.5, step 2, step 3, step 4. So now, since I want this hair to be uniform, and I want the level to be like this, you are going to make use of your what? Step 1. And once you use your step 1, put your clipper, insert your clipper, bring the gel down. That is, put it on open lever, open blade, open it. Don't put it on skin, don't close it, open it. Do you understand? Then you bring this hair down. Now, when you are bringing this hair down, follow it accordingly. Watch the hair texture very well. See the way the hair grows. See the direction the hair goes. So follow it accordingly. Do you get? So let me not waste much of our time. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show us. Do you understand? Now turn your clipper on. Hold your clip blade like this. You bring it. You bring it like this. Now, most of us don't understand the reason why sometimes you cut hair, it will not look nice. Once you barb hair like this, once you cut hair like this, still barb it again like 2 or 3 times so that it will give you an even look. Do you understand? So you follow it accordingly. You see, follow it like this. It goes like this. It comes like this. It comes like this. It comes like this. Can you see it? Now look at here very well. Look at this place very well. You see, I'm going to make another tutorial and I will tell you the reason why I always say that this hair that you see here, they started from here. This is where the junction box is. But you people don't understand this. That is why you need to follow this page, because you are not going to regret anything from it. Because what we do here is theory and practical. Now follow it like this. See, if you don't texture here very well, if you don't texture here very well, here particularly this center here, if you don't follow it accordingly, you are going to chop off the hair. That's why you see some persons, once after barbing someone's hair will chop off because they do not follow it to the direction the hair grows. Do you understand? So follow it like this, brush it down like this, follow it like this. Can you see it? Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. So let me stop this side and show you how I'm going to create this full afro. So after you have gotten it like this, now let's blend the afro. The next thing you need to do again, you have created the first guideline, right? The second guideline, don't let it go too up, because this is now full afro low cut. Because we are going to build it, we are building this hair now to be a full afro cut, or you call it high fade. Now bring the gel down. Follow it accordingly, texture it very well. Don't rush it, don't rush it, take it slow and steady. Remember, if you see anywhere that I'm not doing very well, correct me. And if you really want to learn barbering from beginning to the end, everything about barbering, theory and practical, go to my YouTube. That is where I post longer videos. Go to my YouTube, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to be notified that, hey, to see how universal cut has posted. So after you have created the second guideline, which is under low cut level, now sometimes you will see some hair scalp different from others. Some people have soft scalp, some have strong scalp. If you are blending strong scalp, it's very very sweet, but if it's soft one, you are doing it and people think that the thing is not rhyming. Do you understand? That's why you see some persons, once they have finished barbing hair, the thing look as if they did not blend it very well. Why they blended it very well is because of the hair, the origin of the head. Not hair, head. You know, hair will be soft when the head is soft. Do you get my point? The hair you see that is very very soft is the result of the head. If hair is strong, it's the result of the head. So when your scalp is very very strong, your hair will be strong. When it's very very soft, your hair will be soft. So get the point. That's why sometimes when I post a video like this, some people, I will just see some comment, I'll be like, huh, some people know nothing about hair. And do you think barbing is just barbing? It's beyond that. That's why you need to follow this page, because you're going to learn a lot. So after this now, you use your step one. I said I don't want this video to be too long. Use your step one, insert it, put it on, you blend. See the way I'm flipping it. Follow it like this. Follow it the way I'm doing it. Remember what I said? I posted one write up. I said that nobody is the best. There is no professional in this barbering industry. We learn every day. Do you understand? So you blend it like this. After you have done it like this, finish. You bring it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You bring it down like this. After you have done it like this, finish. You remove your step one. You bring it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Don't let it go too up. Here that it stops now. So a professional knows what I'm doing here. They know that it's mid fade, right? So you bring it like this. What I just explained now, can you see it now? This is very, very soft because the scalp is soft, right? That's why it's doing as if it's not giving, right? But it's going well. So when you follow this process, follow it accordingly. After you have gotten what you want, you turn your hand upward, you blend it like this. You blend it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? I really don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm doing only this side now so that I'll cut it. I just want you to get the basis and know how my hand is moving, the way I use the steps. Do you understand? So after you have done it, remember there is line here. So you put it semi-low cut. I normally call it semi-low cut because I don't cover it finish. I don't close it finish. You do it like this. That's what I'm doing. You do it like this. See, I'm using the edge to clear up the lines. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? So some person, this is theory, this is tutorial. That is why I'm taking my time to do this thing like this. I don't know why some persons hide what they know. I can never hide anything. That is why if you are not part of us, if you are not part of this family, high universal cut family, you are missing out. You are missing a lot because everything here we detail it. We expose all those secrets that some barbers don't want to let you know because we came empty. We understood that, and we don't want to die with what we know. We want to die empty. So, have you seen it? So I'm going to stop it here. I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you got the basis. You got what I'm trying to say, right? Hope you understand it very well. Can you see it? Can you see it? You may think that the hair is not fine, but if you understand the meaning of hair texture, hair roots, hair scalp, then you will know what I did. You know that it's a perfect fade. So guys, I love you guys. I don't want this video to be too long. So this is how to do it when you want to start building a new afro, a new high fade or mid fade. This is how you make the hair to be uniform and texture it accordingly. Do you get? I love you guys. One love. Make sure you follow, share this video.